Welcome to Kids Academy.
Hello, let's get started on the lesson. A community is a place where people live together. There are many different types of communities. In this lesson, you will learn about 3 common types: urban, suburban, and rural. An urban community is large and highly populated. This means that lots of people live there. In urban communities, you will see tall buildings or skyscrapers, traffic, and transportation. New York City is an urban community. Look at all the tall buildings and busy people. New York is called the city that never sleeps. Why? It's because these bright lights stay on all night long. An urban community could be busy both day and night. Most people live in apartment buildings in an urban community, although some live in homes. Since urban communities are so crowded, there are many apartments and homes located right beside one another. A suburban community, or a suburb, is located near a city. It is not as populated as an urban community. There is less traffic and smaller buildings. Some people who live in suburban communities travel to a nearby city for work. This is called commuting. Look at the L train from Chicago. This train travels to and from Chicago and its surrounding suburbs. There are not many buses and trains in a suburban community, so most people drive to work. Many people live in homes in suburban communities. These homes are usually very spacious and beautiful. They have amenities or special features, such as large backyards and garages. A rural community has very few people and buildings. In fact, it mainly consists of farmland. You might see lots of animals and natural scenery such as trees and grassy plains. People live in small houses that are spaced far apart. Some houses are located miles away from one another. Look at this home. It stands alone. Would you like to live here? Why or why not? Let's review. An urban community is large and highly populated. A suburban community, or a suburb, is located near a city. It is not as populated as an urban community. A rural community has very few people and buildings. It mainly consists of farmland. What type of community do you live in? Think about it. Look around your community. What do you see? Thanks for watching. Goodbye.
Subscribe to our channel to stay updated on new videos. Find links to our apps in the comments below.